begin. Good job. And then ng mga junior scouts. May I call in troop leader Joyce Willie and troop leader.
We are looking for the magic star. We want to know if we can become twinklers.
Well then, come along. I shall take you to the guiding star. She will show you the magic star. Guiding star, these little girls are looking for the magic star. They wish to become twinklers and they wish to know if they can become one.
Welcome, my little friends. This is the land of the twinklers. But first, you must tell me why you want to become twinklers. Green.
I want to become cheerful.
Blue.
I want to fly.
Silver.
I want to have food.
Red.
I want to make other people happy.
Very good. Come and see the magic star.
Magic star. Magic star.
Stand before the magic star. It will tell you who you are. If you look your face, you will see truly a twinkler you will be.
The magic star says you can all be twinklers. The twinklers are little Girl Scouts who are always happy because they do a good deed and make other people happy. Now, guiding star will here make you twinkler promise.
Pugay kamay na!
The twinkler's promise. I love God, my country, and people around me. Pugay kamay na! The twinkler's love, the twinkler's walk. A twinkler is cheerful, kind, and helpful. Kamay baba na!
Very good.
Cubao. Yun. Maraming salamat po.